Hi Rakesh, how are you,
You're
bro?
already. I first of all, good morning.
Yeah, very
I
good
am
morning.
doing very well. Yes.
Okay.
What about you?
Yeah, I'm also very well, bro. And
Okay.
today is a I'm very energetic feeling. Okay. So today topic is benefit of the public speaking. How is it important in our life or daily life? So we will discuss about that. Okay.
Okay.
So let's get started. So who will start first?
You can start first.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rakesh.
Okay.
So public benefits of the public speaking, yeah, yani it is a very important in our life. Public speaking is a very important because if you know very well to speak or you want to deliver some things, if you want to deliver your thoughts or your idea or your emotion someone, then it is a very good for the public speaking because public speaking build the confidence, okay, and make the personality and connect the people to scale your knowledge, scale your business or anything. It is a very there are so many sectors, there are so many platform to it is the role of the public speaking. If I talk about the a student, if you are a student, then you can give the lecture or if you can explain any topic in front of your classmate or your whatever you have peoples, then you can explain your thoughts or your idea. And if I talk about if you are the businessman, then you can explain about your business profit loss and process whatever. So it is a very important because uh, public speaker motivate to us and they encourage us to do the work in the correct way. And public speaking, I also like to talk to the people because it is my habit. I explain, I try to explain in my way, and also I get some hesitation. So if you speak daily basis with the people, then your hesitation will be removed. So it is a very important for the public speaking. And one more information, public speaking, it is a enhance your knowledge, okay, and enhance your personality, and you can connect the professional people, and your team will be also increase. You will get the new people by public speaking. And there are so many things and there are so many benefits of the public speaking. And if I talk about the daily basis, okay, so if you go to the any shopkeeper or any market, there are also need to the public speaking because there are so many people in the market, they are asking the price in which shop give the affordable price, and which shop provide the good product. So there are so many things we can learn from the others and we can explain our thoughts. So public speaking is very important in our life because it's build our confidence, enhance our knowledge. So thank you, Mr. Rakesh. You can go ahead.
Okay. So public speaking, the topic is very interesting. Public speaking for me, like there are two types of person: introvert and extrovert. Introvert means that the person who live in his their own life. Like he will not connect with too many people. He does not have too much friends, and he will have a fear to talk with the people. And extrovert means that you don't have fear. Whatever in your mind, you can express it. You can convey in front of any person. And I'm not saying that the extrovert people will always able to speak in public. I'm not saying. But the extrovert person just can express his thought in front of a single person. But to speak in front of public, every person has to learn. Without taking session or without trying his best, they will not be able to learn public speaking. For me, public speaking public speaking works for a person everywhere. When there will be any quarrel or any fight happen in your family, so on that time, to come with the resolution, you have to sit with all the family members, and then you have to put your thoughts between them to to make them understand that what is right and what is wrong. If a very big quarrel or fight happens in your family, and on that time, if you will not be able to make them understand like exactly what is wrong and what is right, and why what I am saying and why I am saying, so on that time your family members will not understand you. They will, when you will try anything new in your family as well, when you will show them that I have learned new something after going in my life, and I have a few skills I have inbuilt and make some expertise in my skills. If we will show them, so they can also understand that our child is learning something and he is getting mature because of public speaking. As you mentioned, the public speaking also boosts our confidence, and it also helps us to increase our critical thinking, because before speaking in front of anyone, we need to prepare the speech. And when you start to write any speech, so on that time you will think in a way, and you have to select the vocabulary, like few selective words to convey your thoughts. So with the help of writing, your critical thinking will also increase. And in public speaking, when you interact, when you express your thoughts in front of anyone, and when any person asks any question in your topic or from your speech, so on that time your your way of expression and the strong, we can the strength to make him understand will also increase. As you when you think about it, and you have already observed it, that when you speak with any new people and the person uses a few new words for you in front of you, as we have we have been discussing for more than 1 month on this platform. So you have also learned some vocabulary from me, and I have also learned some vocabulary from you. So with the help of public speaking, we can also increase our vocabulary. We can also improve our communication skill. And public speaking